everyone, today I am going to show you the hair DIY which I use on my hairs. ये DIY बहुत हेल्पफुल है, लाइक ये आपके हेयर ग्रोथ को प्रमोट करता है, ये आपके डैंड्रफ्स को लाइक किसी के स्कैल्प में बहुत ज़्यादा डैंड्रफ होता है उसको क्लियर करता है, और बहुत कोई का लाइक बाल बहुत ड्राई हो गया है, फ्रिजी हो गया, तो ये उसमें भी हेल्प करता है. लाइक आई एम यूजिंग दिस फ्रॉम 4-5 months, past 4-5 months, and it's really effective on my hair. And yeah, so let's get started with it. Okay, so now let's move on to the products. So what products we are using is the parachute oil. This is generally available in everyone's home, like it's the coconut oil. You can take any other option as well. I use parachute. Then we have the olive oil. This I have already shown in my Nykaa haul video. So this is the olive oil, the cold pressed one. And then we have the castor oil. So this is the castor oil I'm using. You can refer any other option as well. This is cold pressed, that is the reason I'm using this one. Then we have the almond oil. This is from Debe House. I've already shown this in my Nykaa haul as well. So you can use any other almond oil as well. I have an optional product, that is the rosemary oil. It helps in reducing the dandruff. So this is an optional product. And one vitamin E capsules. So you can even use the vitamin E oil. I'm using the capsules over here. This is available in any medical store. You can get it from any medical store. So this is the okay, so let's move to the preparation process. First I'm taking 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. For my length 2 tablespoons is more than enough. So I'm taking 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and then I'll take the olive oil, which I already showed. The cold pressed one. I will take 1 tablespoon of olive oil. So here it is. And then I'll take the castor oil, which I already showed you. It's from Aloe Vera and it's cold pressed. So I will take half castor oil because it's thick. As we know that castor oil is very thick in consistency. So I would be taking like only the half tablespoon. A little more. Yeah. So that's about the castor oil. And then we'll take the almond oil. So I've already mentioned I'm using the pure almond oil, which is cold pressed. It has this dropper thing in it. And then I'm taking this almond oil. This could be taken, like I'll remove the dropper because it's not like giving me the proper amount. So I would be taking the almond oil, 1 tablespoon. And then I'm using this vitamin E capsule, so I will just poke like this, and I would be using only 1 vitamin E capsule. If you are using more oil, please use. Just a minute. I think it's not. Yeah. So okay, so I have used only 1 capsule vitamin E. If you require any more, you can, if you have a long hair, you can go for 1 more vitamin E capsule. And as I mentioned, this rosemary essential oil or any other essential oil is just optional. If you have dandruff, it helps in healing that dandruff portion. So only 2 to 3 drops of rosemary oil. Also it smells good. So your hair oil looks like mixing with all the oils. You need to mix it really very well so that each and every oil gets like mixed really well. So this is how it looks like. And how to apply it on the scalp. So this is how I take it in my fingers, and I go with the circular motion massage all over my scalp. Guys, don't use the nails or the tip of your nails for massaging. It's not proper to use it. It exfoliates your scalp, which is not good. It could create dandruff, or also it could create infection on your scalp. So what you will do, you will just take a good amount and you'll go all on your scalp, rubbing it nicely, or simply just putting it if you are not good with the massage thing, and then go on your lens. What is good about is if you're giving a proper massage, your hair scalp blood circulation will be like good, and hair growth will be promoted on that note. And yeah, you can store this for like 2 to 3 months. I prepare the batch every time. I prepare the batch every time I use the hair oil. So I make it fresh batch and I use it. So that's all about my hair DIY. Please let me know on my comment section that how did you like this after using it, and provide the reviews on that. Thank you for watching this. Thank you.